Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mallory. Today we're gonna have a 15-minute lazy girl workout. We're gonna be on the mat like the whole time. We're gonna hit full body, no equipment needed today. And this is the kind of workout that you can hit if you just kind of need like a body refresh, like a little pick-me-up. So let's get into it. We're gonna start here laying flat on the mat. We're gonna do a glute bridge first. So we're gonna have our feet planted, toes out. We're just gonna be going up and back down. I want you to tuck your chin towards your chest here, because that's gonna help round our back. We don't wanna arch our back like this. See how it just looks like my lower back hurts? We're gonna round it to engage those glutes. Keep breathing. After this, we're gonna do a glute bridge still, but we're gonna do a single leg glute bridge. So kind of shift your weight over to your favorite foot, your least favorite foot. What we're gonna do, just plant one. We're gonna have this one kind of like hovering out in space. We'll do one side and then we'll switch to the other side. Here we go. Oh wait, we're resting. 3, 2, here we go. Slightly tougher with one foot. We're gonna do half and half for this 45-second little bit here. So a couple more reps on this foot. Let's switch it out, other foot here. Seconds here. After this, we have a dead bug. If that's like kind of how you're feeling today, that's why we're doing the dead bug. We're gonna press our back up against the mat, like really hard up against the mat. Okay, we're gonna have feet up, hands up. We're gonna go opposite arm, opposite leg. It takes my brain like a couple of seconds to compute the opposite arm, opposite leg. But you know, if you want to make it easier, you can bend that knee and toe tap that foot. And we're gonna breathe in when that leg extends, breathe out as it comes back to the middle. More seconds, less than 10 at this point. We're gonna do some leg hugs after this. Oh, so cute. You're gonna get to give yourself a little hug. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press the back up against our mat. It helps me to tuck my chin. We're gonna tap the toes and hug with the arms. Reach up, take a deep breath, tap the toes, hug with the arms. Here we go, follow that breathing pattern. Try to lift those shoulder blades off the mat just a little bit at the top here. You got it, nice job. If your neck feels like it's falling off, your head feels like it's falling off of your neck, we get to sit up a little bit after this one, so that will help it. I know my neck hurts. And rest, nice job. We're gonna kind of sit up here. We're gonna pop up onto our elbows. We're gonna do some trikes. So these are like the chill little sister version of bicycles. So we're just gonna bike our feet and we're kind of propped up here. If you want to make it easier, we're gonna bend the knees and little toe tap trikes. We're gonna round our back. Press that back towards the mat. this, we have some tricep dips. So we're kind of gonna sit up, sit on our butt here with our hands back behind us and rest. Nice job. So we're gonna sit up here. We're gonna face our hands forward, pop them back behind us, and we're gonna lift our butt off the ground just a little bit. We're gonna send the elbow back and like barely tap your butt on the ground and do little baby tricep dips here. Try to press through the back of your arm, that tricep. After this one, we're gonna flip it over and do our like facing down a section, you know? So that's that. We're gonna do one more tricep thing after this, but we'll be flipping. Yo, why these have a little kick? I have like 1 inch of range of motion here. Okay, rest, nice job. We're gonna flip it over here. We're gonna do one more tricep thing. We're gonna go into these little like tricep pike things. We're gonna be on our knees. We're gonna lean our hands back here. We're gonna lower those elbows onto the mat, and then we're gonna press back up. Lowering the elbows, press back up here. So we're not really sitting back into child's pose. That's gonna make it very easy if you want to kind of modify. But we're just gonna lower, drop the elbows, press back up, and a result of that is our hips are gonna hinge just a little bit. Keep it breathing. Let's get 1 to 2 more right here. And nice job. We're gonna lower it down all the way to the mat here. We're gonna do some back extensions. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have our hands like flat here. We're gonna take a deep breath, lift, swim upwards, swim back down, and lower as we swim back down, downstream. Breathing in, breathing out. We're gonna try to lift those legs just a little bit and lower. Nice job, keep it up. Let's get a couple more. We're gonna go into tabletop. We're gonna do some fire hydrants after this. And rest, kind of press back up here. We got a couple seconds, but you're gonna pick your favorite foot here, and we're gonna go into fire hydrant. So we're just gonna lift. Whoa, my hip just like cracked into place. We're just gonna lift and go back down. We're gonna try to stabilize our core right where it's at. Kind of freeze that core. I'm proud of you for taking the time out of your day to kind of take care of yourself with this workout, even though it's not like we're doing backflips or anything crazy here, right? You're still taking care of yourself. So we're gonna flip over to our other leg for fire hydrants. So I guess you have a second to chill. But again, same deal, squeeze that core, keep it nice and still. Here we go. last couple more seconds. We're gonna stay in this position here for our next one. We're gonna do some rainbow taps. So still in our tabletop position, we're gonna take one leg and we're gonna go across here, lift up, breathe in, tap back down. Sorry, I didn't realize we were going. Here we go. In this one, really make sure, try not to arch your belly down. We're gonna freeze the core. Just that leg is moving. Stay strong through those arms. Breathe, breathe, breathe. We're gonna switch it to our other foot after this one. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Switch it out, other foot. I'm flipping around for the demonstration, but you just stay right where you are. So again, plant the other side, and we're gonna take the other foot. Was that my other foot? Yes, okay. Here we go. And I'm just going the width of my mat, nothing crazy. Again, we're gonna breathe in when we lift that leg, breathe out as we lower it. You're so close to the end here. Just a couple more exercises. After this, we're just gonna lay flat on our side. So, yay, more laying down. And rest, good job here. So, we're gonna just lean kind of up on our elbow. We're just gonna do some leg lifts to the side. So, flatten out, prop yourself up. We're gonna lift the leg and lower the leg. That's literally all it is. This is like a chill, lazy girl workout today, but you're still moving. You're still getting the blood flowing, so I'm proud of you, and you better be proud of yourself. To go. We're gonna do our other foot. So we're not leaving this workout lopsided. Gotta even it out. I'm gonna hit like a little breakdancing move. Yes. Just for the demonstration again. You just stay right where you're at. Just move the phone, okay? So we're just gonna go other foot, kind of propped up on this elbow. And then we're gonna do one more exercise and we're done, y'all. Okay? So breathe in when that leg lifts up. Breathe out as it lowers. If you're feeling a little wobbly and questionable, you can take that back foot and bend it. Give yourself a little tripod stand to balance on. Our last one is like our little dessert at the end of the workout. Okay, we're gonna do a full body, just lay. A lay, okay? That's what we're doing. I think it's like corpse pose, dead man pose, like whatever. Our final resting pose of the day. We're gonna take our hands, take a deep breath up top. Really big deep breath here. Breathe it all out. We're gonna take one more deep breath here. And you breathe it all out, I want you to just lay your hands at your side, and we're gonna lay here. You to think about how you were feeling at the start of this workout, maybe how you're feeling now. again, you better be proud of yourself for taking care of yourself today. It is a blessing that we get to move around, even if it's a chill workout. So thank you so much for joining me today. We're just gonna chill here a couple more seconds. And done. Nice job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel on this lazy girl workout. We've all been there. I've been there. Literally all my friends have been there. Everyone that I teach in my fitness classes have been there. So thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.